If Windows won't start and you're stuck at a black screen or error message, here's how to fix it. Your computer powers on, but Windows doesn't load. You see a black screen, an error message like operating system not found, or it loops back to the startup screen without booting. Boot failures happen for three main reasons. A failed Windows update corrupted system files, critical boot files got damaged, or your hard drive isn't being detected properly. Here's how to get Windows running again. Step 1. Force restart 3 times to enter recovery mode. Turn your computer off and on 3 times in a row. Shut it down when you see the Windows logo each time. On the third restart, Windows automatically enters recovery mode. If that doesn't work, use a Windows installation, USB, and select Repair your computer instead of Install now. Step 2. Use Startup Repair. In recovery mode, select Troubleshoot. Advanced options. Startup Repair. This scans and fixes common boot problems automatically, including corrupted boot files and registry errors. Let it run completely. It takes 5 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Boot into safe mode. From recovery mode, go to Troubleshoot Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. Then press for safe mode. If Windows loads in safe mode, the problem is likely a driver or recent update. Uninstall recently added programs or roll back recent driver updates from Device Manager. Step 4. Run System File Checker. In recovery mode, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Command, prompt, type sfcscanno, and press Enter. This scans all Windows system files and repairs corrupted ones. The process takes 20 to 30 minutes. Don't interrupt it. Step 5. Restore to a previous point. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. System Restore. Choose a restore point from before the boot problem started, typically before a recent update or software installation. This rolls Windows back to a working state without deleting your files. Step 6. Check if your hard drive is detected. Restart and enter BIOS by pressing F2, F10, or ESC during startup. Depends on your manufacturer. Look for boot order or storage settings. If your hard drive doesn't appear, the connection may be loose or the drive is failing. Reseek the drive cable or test with another drive. If none of these work and your drive is detected in BIOS, you may need to reset Windows. In recovery mode, go to Troubleshoot, reset this PC keep my files. This reinstalls Windows while preserving your documents. If your drive isn't detected at all, it's likely failed and needs replacement. That's how to fix a boot failure. Start with Startup Repair. Work through the steps, and you'll identify whether it's fixable or hardware failure.
Solution brief. Fast answers, no fluff.